Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a traditional makeup. So let's start the video. Now I'll be applying the moisturizer. You can apply any of yours. Just apply it all over your face and neck area. After this, once you're done, I'll be taking the foundation, that is L'Oreal Paris 24 hours matte cover. This foundation is very good. You can apply it all over your face and neck area. It's very good. It gives you a good coverage. So just apply it all over your area, face as I am doing it now. Put the dots all over your face and your neck area and just rub them all over with the dabbing sponge like this. Yes. So just cover all your face, your eyes area, under bags, under eyes bags, your neck area, forehead, chin, everything. Make sure that you take a good amount of foundation and cover it all over. It gives you a very smooth and good finishing. It's a very nice foundation. Just rub it all over. Okay, I'm doing it on my neck part now. You can see the glow that has come, the shade that has come after the foundation. Yeah, that's very nice. Okay, it's a traditional look, guys. It's going to be a little glamorous look. So now I am going to be doing the concealing part. So for concealing, I am going to take the brand concealer from the brand Sephora. You get this brand here in UAE. You can even buy it online. It is the concealer Bright Future smoothing and brightening concealer. It is a pen kind of concealer. You just have to tap it from back side and it comes out from the front. Just use it like a pen. You get a brush on the tip of the pen, so you can apply it easily all over your wherever you want to conceal your conceal on your face. Whichever darker part you have on your face, you can conceal that. So I'm doing it around my neck, around my eyes and on my cheeks a bit. So do it accordingly as I'm showing you. Concealer is something which can give you a brighter tone and hide all your dark patches, your dark spots on your face. And whichever part you want to highlight on your face, you can just put it on that part. Yeah, do it accordingly. And then take a dabbing sponge, a makeup sponge, and then just dab it all over. You can see the part that has been highlighted. It gets highlighted immediately and it covers all your the darker patches on your skin which the foundation can't hide. Then I'm going to contour my face. I'm using the same brand again, Sephora, and this is the contouring. You can say it is a like brush. You get a brush inside that. Yeah, and it's a Sephora clear cover contour. I'm using the shade 46 and it is a darkest shade in this contouring stick. So I brought it so that you get a good contouring cover on your face. As you can see, you can apply all over your face wherever you want to contour. Just do it accordingly as I'm showing you. Do it from your forehead to your temple area and then on your nose, down of your nose. It's a darker shade, so it will give you a good contour and it will it will highlight your face very nicely. Do it on your temple, cheeks to temple area, from cheeks to temple area. Yes, like this. Okay, under your lips, then your cheekbones. This is just to cut your face line. If you have a broader neck under your jaw, then just to cut it you have to contour it downwards. I am done with the application part, with the highlighting part. Now you just have to smudge it as I show in the upward direction. Yes, like this. It will give you a bit darker shade, but you can just hide it later. You just have to smudge it very nicely, and you can hide it later with your powder and with your highlighters and everything. So let the darker shade be. Don't worry about that it's being very dark on my face. Nothing like that. It is a contour. So it will be the same. You will see instantly that your face is getting lifted upwards. In your nose area, it's becoming, your nose is becoming very straight, and it's getting highlighted. So do it as I'm showing you. Yes, do it on your forehead to cut the forehead part. It's done. It will look like this only after contouring, guys. This is the right way of contouring. After that you have to hide it with the products that we are using. After this, then after this I will be using a compact powder, that is banana essence compact powder, that is brightening compact powder. So apply a compact all over your face. First highlight your eyes and your cheek areas. Apply it however with your brush or with your dabbing sponge or with your whatever you like to use, a sponge or anything. See, you can see the contouring thing is getting lighter now, and even your face is looking contoured and uplifted. So this is the right way, guys. The face becomes bright and uplifted. You can see the difference. Now after that I'll be using the mascara. This mascara is the Lakme Volumizer Mascara, is the Flutter Secret Volumizer Mascara. It is of Lakme Absolute. It gives you a good volume for your lashes. There's no need to apply artificial lashes. See, you can see it dries very fast. After that I'll be using a Lakme Kajal pencil for my eyebrows. It's the very easiest way to do with the eyebrow pencil, so just go with the eyebrow pencil. If you are in hurry, just don't go. If you are in hurry, just don't use a liquid liners, because they take time to dry as well, and it is if they get spread, then it will be a big problem for your makeup. Then we are using the Huda Beauty caramel brown. Yes, this we are going to use this for your eyes. This is an eyeshadow. This is the original Huda Beauty, guys. It's a very nice palette. You get all caramel colors in this: golden, brown, the pinkish brown you get in that. Very nice colors you get in that. So I'm applying the golden color now, copper golden color, for my eyes, because I'm doing a traditional look and it will go with my sari as well and my jewelry as well. So that's why you can see you don't have to apply any other thing. If you go with this, you don't have to apply the eyeshadow and do your eye makeup before and then apply this. It's the very easiest way to do it, right on your eyelids. Just take a brush and you can just start applying it. You don't have to bother of doing a whole eye makeup. It's a faster way and the product is very good. It's, it's very nice product and it sticks very nicely to your skin. It doesn't spread off on the eyelids upper side. So I'm using the see how see, it's looking very nice. Now I'm doing it on the downside, so I'm using another color from my eyeshadow palette, just to highlight the eyes and make it look more glamorous. I'll definitely recommend you guys this palette because this is very nice palette, and it is, again I'll tell you, it is Huda Beauty caramel brown palette. So just go with it. Buy original one instead of buying a first copy of it. See the look that has come. Then I'm going to apply a blusher that is of pure color, skin art blusher. It is pink in color. Just apply it on your cheek areas, and if you want you can just apply it on your nose and your forehead area if you need, if you want, if you like it. It just highlights your face and gives you a, a glam look, a beautiful look, a pinky look, a peachy look. It's, yeah, that's very nice. Then I'm going to apply again. I'm again using a Huda Beauty lipstick. This is in the matte color. Yeah, I'm just going to, do a very nude kind of look today. I don't want to go, very, because my jewelry is little bit heavy and my sari is going to be little bit, it has some pearls on it. So I don't want to make the makeup very shiny and all. So that's why I'm using a matte finish lipstick. I'm applying this. See the color which has come. It's looking very nice. Then I'm taking the highlighter. It is of Manish Malhotra's brand, My Glam brand of Manish Malhotra. This is a liquid highlighter. Just take it on your sponge, the dabbing sponge, and apply it on your cheekbones. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay. See how beautiful that looks. I think I'm done with the makeup and it's looking very nice. So guys, if you like my makeup, if you like my video, don't forget to share it, subscribe it, and like it. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.